Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing both assets, the Google form and the target page on your site. Open the form, finalize questions and response settings so data lands correctly. This prevents later edits that break embeds. Once done, set sharing to the right access level, anyone with the link if public, or keep it restricted for internal use. Then open your website editor and locate the exact page and HTML block where the form will live. That prepares you to grab and paste the embed code immediately. Now you extract and tailor the embed code. In Google Forms, click Send, then the Embed tab and pick sensible width and height. 600 by 800 is a common start. Copy the iframe snippet, make small edits to width, height, or add style parameters so it fits your layout. If your site uses a CMS, be sure to paste into an HTML or custom code block rather than the visual editor. That prevents the markup from being sanitized or stripped out. This step ensures the form displays and behaves correctly. Finish by publishing and validating the integration. Paste the iframe into your page HTML, save and publish the page, then perform an end-to-end test by submitting test entries and confirming they appear in the form responses. Make sure the form scales on mobile. Add responsive CSS if it overflows. If something fails, check 3 common issues: embed restrictions or permissions, mixed content when your site is HTTPS, but the embed is HTTP, and any iframe sandbox or xframe options that block rendering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.